My name is Joshua Stewart. I'm the Hearth New Product Development Manager here at Pyrotech. Basically, I guide the group with the new product development. So we do a lot of R&D work, and we're designing logs and panels to go inside of fireplace stoves, and also do the ember beds. So basically develop the flame picture so that our customers can take their units and get them through combustion and sell them to their customers. So we'll actually come in, build what looks like a real fire bed, and place logs in it. So from real wood, take the real wood, develop it, and from there we'll put it to tooling and bring it all the way through, and we'll come back and do the liners for the panels. So if they want brick, they want ledge stone, whatever it is. R&D, or new product development, and production work very close together. They are our first customer.
I'm a Hearth production associate, and I paint all of the fiber panels that go into fireplaces. I really like the idea of building things. I like creating things. It's pretty much like arts and crafts all day long. I'm making new things and creating new things and bringing people together with a good attitude. And I really feel like the manufacturing industry needs more people like that.
Brought to you by Pyrotech.